Hello everyone, so today I am going to tell you how to delete Facebook account. If you want to delete your Facebook account, so just follow these steps. First, open your Facebook app and here just select the menu bar, just tap on it. Now just scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Here's that, just tap on it and then tap on settings. Here just tap on account center. Now scroll down and look for personal details. Here's that, just tap on it. Now you have the option of account ownership and control. Just tap on it and then tap on deactivation or deletion of account. Just tap on it and here just select your Facebook account. Now you have two options, which is deactivate your account or delete your account. You just have to select the second option, which is delete your account. Just select it, then tap on continue, and after that just choose any reason, and after tapping on continue your account will be permanently deleted from Facebook. So that's how you can delete your Facebook account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.